This wonderful 2-bedroom 2-bathroom apartment is in a beautiful new building which offers stylish residences that are all thoughtfully designed for comfortable living. From the floor-to-ceiling windows, to the glass-enclosed rain showers, no detail has been overlooked in designing the very best residences possible. This luxury building has been designed to complement and enhance the wonderful Gramercy neighborhood where you will be living. The exterior is clad in a timeless, gray Indiana limestone, and the interiors boast a modern twist on classic, top-of-the-line finishes. A unique 25-foot cantilever frames neighboring buildings and helps to form the sleek and varied lines that define this exceptional building. A distinct and highly defined unconventional mix of modern and classic in the heart of Gramercy. Special features of your home included a spacious, thoughtful layout with 5 white oakwood floors, solid core walnut finished apartment entrance doors, solid core wooden interior doors with wooden trim, and Bosch efficient Energy Star washer and dryer. The open kitchens feature islands for added countertop space. They have custom white satin lacquer cabinetry, natural honed basaltina stone countertops, sub-zero refrigerator, meal cooktop and oven, meal hidden, silent dishwasher, sharp under-counter microwave drawer, grow faucet, smoked glass backsplash, designer pendant light fixtures, and a 15-bottle wine chiller. Your master bath includes porcelanosa faucets, 8 rain shower heads, Persian natural white marble floors and walls, Bianca Perla marble feature wall, Kohler soaking tubs with stone deck, custom satin lacquer wooden vanity, Toto low-flow toilets, and Kohler accessories. In addition to the fabulous amenities offered, this wonderful building is expected to achieve LEED certification. From the local and sustainable materials chosen for construction to the mechanical and ventilation systems, no detail has been overlooked in effort to build an environmentally responsible LEED-certified condominium building including low VOC emitting paints, sustainable building materials, locally sourced materials, high-efficiency HVAC systems, rooftop rain retention system, bike room, Energy Star rated appliances, high-efficiency low-flow toilets and faucets. Amenities in your new building include sunbathing on the landscaped rooftop terrace or burning calories at the fully outfitted fitness center. All of the fabulous amenities are only an elevator ride away. In addition, there is a children playroom, there is a fitness center and a rooftop terrace which offers a professionally landscaped oasis with 360-degree Manhattan views of the New York City skyline. The rooftop will also offer a grilling station with adequate seating and lounge areas throughout for eating out in the open, and a sunbathing area outfitted with chaise lounges and a lounge area outfitted with couches. Please call me today to schedule a viewing of this fine property, before it sells. This is a great time to buy with rising home values and still historic low mortgage loan rates. Common charges on this unit are approximately $1,070 per month and taxes approximately $398 per month with $421 a tax abatement. 20b, all information is subject to errors, omissions, change, or withdrawal without notice. Dimensions are approximate. Some photos may be renderings or representative of similar finishes and layouts in your new home.
Text U113270 to 51004 for current information.